How long will you stay here? How long will you study here? How long will you take rest? How long will you sleep? How long will you take to eat food? How long will you take to reach Jaipur? How long will you take to reach your school? How long will you take to reach your village? How long will you continue your study? How long will you take the class? How long will you work here? How long will you sit idle? How long will you sing? How long will you dance? How long will you type? How long will you revise your lesson? How long will you get treatment? How long will you teach us? How long will you read the newspaper? How long will you worship the God? Thank you.